In this video, we are going to talk about geometric intersections. So the first one here is two lines intersect in a point. And that point is right here. So two lines intersect in one point in space. We can have, when I say two lines, that could be parts of lines as well. Meaning we could use segments or rays. Segments intersect in a point, rays intersect a point, a ray and a line intersect in a point. Two planes intersect in a line, and that line is right here. That I know that's kind of hard to see. So if you need to ask, I can show you a 3D replica of this. And then a plane and a line intersect in a point. And that point is right here. So what kind of is happening here is that you have a line, it hits a piece of paper right there, and then it goes through it. So a pencil stabbing a piece of paper is the way that I describe this. When you see those dotted lines, so the dotted right here, that means you can't see the line. It's underneath the paper. So again, if you need to see a 3D replica of this, please ask and I'm happy to show you. So let's look at a couple examples. So we're going to identify geometric intersections. What is the intersection of line FB? So line FB is this line right here. It goes on forever and ever. Can't draw very straight lines. And then segment CD, which is this segment right here. So where does that segment and that line intersect? They intersect at point D. Because two lines or portions of lines intersect in a point. What is the intersection of plane AEC and plane EFH? I'm going to outline each of those planes in a different color. So plane AEC, I'm going to outline in yellow. So AEC, it's not just those two lines. It's this entire thing is the plane. But I only use three letters to name it. So that's plane AEC. And then plane, and that should be PALANE, plane EFH. So EFH, and the whole plane, because I only use three letters to name it. So EFH, that is the other plane. What is the intersection of those two planes? Well, this is a box. So the intersection of those two faces of the box is the edge where those two faces come together. So the intersection here is segment EG. So the intersection of two planes is a line or a portion of a line. And in this case, it is EG. So we should probably, again, right here, or a portion of a line. And then the last one, what is the intersection of line R and plane P? So line R is this line right here. And it's like a pencil going through the paper, so we don't always see it. And what's another name for line R? Yep, another name for line R would be TX. And then plane P. And we know it's plane P because that uppercase script letter there. And by definition, the intersection of a line and a plane is at a point. And this one would be at point X.